Well, I'm very happy that the Label Bazaar is back now with a bang. I think it's been about 6 months since they had the last one, and the pandemic has really played havoc with our lives. But it's really good to see that things are returning to normalcy now, and it's amazing to see the kind of crowd that has accumulated here today. And I hope this will be the beginning of a new era when we have overcome the pandemic, almost overcome the pandemic, and hopefully things are going to get back to normalcy. And it was good to see Mohammad Azharuddin, our former cricket captain, out here, gracing the occasion. And amongst the most of the crowd here seems to know, obviously, is the ladies who are out here, that they would be more interested in the kind of fashion that is on display out here. And I wish Anam the very best of luck, not only in this venture but in future as well, because I think Label Bazaar is already becoming a brand to reckon with. And I'm really happy that she's doing so well, and doing so well for the city of Hyderabad. Thank you.
Hi guys, we're at the Label Bazaar. It's our 15th season here. The show is just before the wedding season and the festive edit and all your festivals and everything. So the stuff is very festive. There are close to 75 designers that we have from all over the country. The crowd has been amazing. The designers have been amazing, and we're glad to have done this here in Hyderabad.
Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Label Bazaar. The show is happening right now and I'm here. It's organized by my wife Anam, and that's her brainchild. So here we are, shopping in Label Bazaar, and everyone is here, especially it's a woman's place to shop, because there are a lot of women clothing, designer clothing and all. So it's been going good. It's been happening for a really long time, every 3 or 4 months, we do this show. So yes, we are here, people are here shopping. There are many designers from all across India. So there's a good platform for shoppers to come and shop over here and enjoy, as everyone, I guess, likes to shop. So this is the destination to be, and this is the place to be and to shop here. And yeah, I'd like to thank everyone who is here, for making it such a grand success.
Hi, I'm Mamta Goel, fashion designer of the brand Mamta Goel Label. This is my store. We are at Label Bazaar today. So we have a wide range of lehengas, bridal range, and Indo-Western and gowns. You can check it out. We have a store at road number 9, Banjara Hills. And you can contact me on Instagram. The page name is Mamta Goel Official. Thank you.
Hi, we are Carrots and Cents from Bombay, and we are a D2C jewelry brand, which is a direct-to-customer jewelry brand. We, as manufacturers, have been manufacturing jewelry, diamond jewelry, and only diamond loose stones from the last 53 years. And now we have got you a full range of diamond jewelry, straight from the manufacturer's desk to your home's comfort. So what we do for you is we customize every single aspect of your jewelry, straight from the drawing, then converting into a computer-aided design, which is a CAD, then getting you a mounting like these, which is naked jewelry. These are just the molds without the diamonds. So you can choose your jewelry, and then we can establish them with diamonds and give it to you a final product. So our final products also include a lot of imported jewelry. Like, I would like to show you something here. Can I have a tray? This is a special pair of earrings straight from Hong Kong market, which has a yellow diamond and a white diamond setup. This is very, very rarely available in India, and this is 100% customizable. We also deliver across India and Europe and the USA. So you can order from any address and we will securely deliver wherever you want to in India. For prices, please contact us.
Hi everyone, I am Soumya. I am the creative head of label Soumya. The collection this time is all about bandhej, shibori, and a few chicken curry pieces also. This is our new AW collection which we have developed. So let's just take a round around my stall here. We have very beautiful pieces of bandhej. Look at the piece of bandhej we have done. It's a kaftan. The neck piece around is a kutch work, mirror work, hand mirror work kaftan. Then in shibori, we have done a suit piece like these. These are all hand-done shibori pieces. Many more in the rack. Now let's take a round towards the saris we have. This is one of the shibori saris we have done. Something in bandhej. And here's the beautiful chicken curry piece we have. This is all about we have in our collection. You can contact us on the phone number 9873005729.
Hi, so we are from Mama Made Bows. We are a brand from Delhi. So we basically deal in adult and kids hair accessories. So as you can see, we have a lot of headbands over here. So they're all handmade hair accessories, and the raw material that we import is all from all parts of the world possibly. So there are a lot of headbands here as well, and then we have a lot of bows here. So this is all handmade stuff that we do for kids and adults, and we are extremely glad to be a part of the Label Bazaar. So we hope you like our stuff and you shop more on our Facebook and Instagram handles as well. Thank you so much.
Hi, I run a brand called The Cinderella Story. I am the founder of the brand. My name is Sabista Khan, and we specialize in juttis. Juttis can be a little uncomfortable sometimes, but हमारी speciality ये है that we do juttis that don't bite, and we do juttis that are very, very size inclusive. So whether you have a tiny, tiny feet or you have a really large foot, we have shoes that will cater to that. We've also become a Bollywood favorite brand. We've done juttis for Soha Ali Khan, Sara Ali Khan, Kriti Sanon. We've done juttis for a lot of other Bollywood celebrities and also a lot of Telugu films and Bollywood films. We're happy to be a part of this show, and we're happy that we're getting so much love from everybody. Thank you.